Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. First off, I voted. Have you? That's all I'm going to say. Because today is important to vote. Yesterday, I did twofold. First was an old-fashioned chocolate pie. Wow. Yum. What an experience. This is from scratch, from actual Hershey's cocoa. Yeah. I did go out and get a chocolate crust for the crust. But baking is magic and science. That's all I can say. How I was just telling Robin, it's amazing how 3 egg whites turns into that much meringue. Yeah, it's like, wow. On the meringue, I tried doing it by hand. I tried being a hero. I can do this. About 5 minutes in, 7 minutes in, I'm like, I'm getting my KitchenAid out. I'm getting my stand mixer out. And thank God I did. Stand mixers, great thing. Then for dinner, I prepared creamy chicken pasilla pepper soup. Oh, this recipe is definitely going into the cookbook. It's very good. I would definitely be getting this recipe and the chocolate pie recipe up in the group today. The soup is phenomenal. Robin just fell in love with it. It's very, very good. Now, I took the recipe and halved it. Because, as you know, there's only 2 of us. And my cats don't eat soup. But, yeah. So, halved it. Today, I'm not the chef today. Robin is. I'm playing the role of sous chef. And tonight's meal is a Crustless Spinach Quiche. Yeah. Let's go. The hardware. Yep, there it is, the shredder. Of course, there's spinach. There's some onion. Eggs, of course. The recipe calls for Munster. We're going with Swiss, and primarily because of the price. I'm sorry, I will not pay what they want for not less than a half pound of Munster cheese. Just a tad bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. That's it. So yeah, that's what's going on here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Robin is chef, I'm sous chef, and yeah. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.